Find the size of the unknown angles in the diagram below. The first thing to note is that this is a radius just here, and this is a tangent. And radius and tangent meet at 90 degrees. Therefore, we can say that A is 90 degrees. And we can give a reason for that, should we need to, the angle between a radius and a tangent. We can now find the angle B because we know the angles in a triangle add to 180. So I've got 180, take away 90, take away 25, gives us 65 degrees. So in other words, this one here is 65 degrees. And of course, if we needed to give a reason, we could give the reason that we just explained. Finally, if we look at this arc here, then this angle is standing on that arc subtended at the center, and this one over here is standing on the arc but subtended at the circumference. Therefore, C is a half of B. So C would be 32.5 degrees.